Hi, today I'm going to show you how to personalize a mirror from Target using adhesive vinyl. So what I've done is cut out hella fine on my Cricut using Cricut Design Space on Oracal 651. So now I'm just going to peel back the vinyl and I'm going to cut out where my letters are cut. And try to do this in some good lighting so you don't accidentally cut through the letters that you want to put on your project. Believe me, because I've done this before. So now I'll just get my Cricut weeding tool and start weeding the unnecessary vinyl. And what I've done is just started it in the corners by just folding it back, and then I'll just peel it off at a diagonal. And same thing with the hella. And when you have letters that have really thin parts, just kind of be careful when you're weeding, because sometimes the letters will come up with the vinyl you're trying to get rid of. And when that happens, it could mess up your letter. Like for example, my letter E had the center portion that was kind of tough to get out. So I was just using the weeding tool to get that out. But as I'm doing that, I know I'm going to have to place that letter E back on with the rest of the letters and position it so that it's lined up and looks nice. And so now I'm just taking out the centers of the letter E, L's, and A from hella. So now I'm just weeding the excess vinyl from the word hella. And here's the mirror that I picked up at Target in the Bullseye's Playground section. It was $3. It looks to be part of the back to school section or back to college. So I'm just going to cut off the little plastic fasteners that keep it onto its backing. And what I need to do, and anybody would need to do, is just make sure that the mirror has been cleaned with rubbing alcohol. So I went ahead and did that and just let it dry off. And that way the vinyl will have a good clean space to stick onto. So now I'm just getting the standard grip transfer tape, that's Cricut brand. And you can probably tell that I've used it on another project before. So that's what's good about this type of material, is that you can use it more than once. So what I'll do is just go ahead and measure out a piece that fits over each word. And once it's placed down, I'll just get my scraper and press down on it. And I still haven't found my Cricut scraper, but luckily I came across this really great blue one. So I've been using that. And so once that's pressed down, just peel back the transfer tape, and then you can place the word where you'd like it. So I decided I wanted the fine in the bottom right-hand corner. And so I thought that I wanted to have the hella sort of at an angle. So it would be like the angled hella and then fine on the bottom straight. But you'll see when I go to place it, I changed my mind. So here I am just pulling back the transfer tape, making sure that the letters are stuck down. And then now I'm just applying the transfer tape on the word hella, and I'm really going to make sure that those L's and the connecting portion of the E and A are stuck so that they don't get messed up during the application process. And here I'm like, nah, I'm changing it. Nah, yeah. So that's where the hella will stick. And then I just go ahead, get the scraper and press that down. And I'm just focusing on those tiny areas again. And then I'm just lifting the transfer tape, and there it is. Easy as that. My $3 Target mirror with a small portion of Oracal 651 that I picked up from Michael's. And that's it. a super easy project that didn't take very long. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it.